At Antique Hardware Supply, we're time travelers, carefully recreating the past using special techniques and lost arts. We take on all kinds of projects in antique lighting, door, window, and home hardware. When you reverse engineer things made 100 years ago, expect plenty of obstacles and challenges. We're up for the challenges and the fun that comes along. At Antique Hardware Supply, we make the impossible possible, and we do it every day.
Okay guys, so what are we looking at today? What's the project?
So we just got this in from the right group. Anyone want to guess what that is?
I don't know. What are we looking at?
It's eventually going to be a light, a chandelier hanging light. This, you'll have one at the top, one at the bottom, multiple panels of these all around.
Where's the rest of it?
There is no rest of it. This is it. This is what we have. We're going to make the rest of it. Ow.
All right, so I kind of see what we're doing here. We have, this is a repeating part at the bottom and the top.
Exactly.
And so we're looking at 5 of these around.
Yes.
So we're going to need some sort of lavalier or something at the bottom and something to hang it with and some chain.
Yeah, that's it.
Would you say?
Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So what do we got for the bottom pieces?
All right, I think I've got just the thing. This piece might be perfect for the top.
Okay.
I think it just screws on.
All right. Kind of see that. What do we got for the bottom?
We have this little hangy thing. I think it's a lavalier. Maybe not the right finish, but it might work.
Let's see. Wow, I'm surprised. It's actually a good match. It's not bad. I mean, it's obviously the wrong colors. But yeah, I think that would work. It would really just be kind of hanging in there like that. In there. 5 around, the top piece. I don't have 3 arms, so I can't hold all this together, but I think that looks good.
I think I can start to picture it.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So when we go with the top piece here, it's not the best match, but I guess we can't really choose. It's fine, it's good. What about chain? I mean, if we go online to buy chain, this is what we're looking at. This is what you buy online now these days, and this is not going to work. I think it's already broken.
There's no way to hold it. With 5 of those, it'll be so heavy.
Yeah, it's not going to work. So what can we do for chain?
Well, there's a couple of options that we dig it out. So first option is this one.
Yeah, this is way too heavy. I mean, I don't think we're going to fit this in the hole there. I don't, this is like anchor chain for a clipper ship or something.
I think that's far too big.
Way too big.
Well, second option that we have, this one like a geometric shape. I'm not sure.
Let's see
if this part will fit right in.
You know, I like the geometric shape because it kind of fits with this lamp, but I think these kind of pieces in there that hold it together are a little too ornate. What's our other option?
Well, other option is this one. So we have floral design.
Okay, so I mean, it's going to hang from the centerpiece. This is nice, actually. This would work really well. I like this. It's a good option. What do you guys think? Okay, so we're going to go with
This one.
option 3, this chain right here. I think this is a really good option. What do you guys think?
It's a good fit.
I think so. I think this is a good fit. Connects on there, which connects to this, which I don't think we're going to hear any of this. Connects to that.
I think it all looks really nice. I think it'll look good when it comes together.
I think so too. I think so too.
Yeah.
Got a lot of work. Let's get a drawing
Lot to
first. Is the first step we get a rendering of this, a drawing,
Okay.
Yeah, we'll see how it
Perfect.
works.
I'll get started.
and then we'll do some casting.
All right, let's do it.
So how's the drawing going?
It's great. It's all done. This is that piece that you brought in and we had no idea it was going to turn into a light. This is where the light bulb goes. This down here is that hanging lavalier piece, and then the chain will go right on top.
Looks great.
For each part we manufacture, the first step is to make a steel mold. This mold is used to preserve the fine details of the original parts. Cast pieces must then be ground, machined, and sanded before they can be polished to a glossy finish.
So we got the casting piece back, the original one we started with.
Okay.
We got it cast in a polished brass, but for that age look, we hand finished it so it's an antique brass.
The casting came back for the smaller pieces. The little lavalier, we've got the casting back for the pieces on top where the chain goes, and then even the pieces that connect everything together. This is our original here, and then we've got it finished in an antique brass, same thing.
Okay, so we're almost there, but where's the chain?
Well, the chain's probably more complicated, so it take a couple more weeks.
Thanks so much for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button.
And if you want to see more videos of us creating beautiful antique reproductions, be sure to hit the subscribe button.
See you next time.
Okay, good. Action!
Line. Okay. All right, for the next project.
No more. I won't look. Charlie won't look.
So what do you want to see? Just like look at here or look at there? Which way do you
You're
want
looking at her
You're
this way.
talking to me, but I
Oh,
won't
okay.
look because that makes giggling worse.
to-
We did this for like 10 minutes in the other room. I'm fast today.
Go for it. Whenever you want.
So how's the drawing going?
It's perfect. It's
You
done.
didn't wait.
I didn't wait.
Okay.
I'm just so used to normal conversation. Go ahead. Okay.
Where we want to be. Ready?
Sure.
Fix my sad little baby hairs. Can't do anything about them. Doesn't matter. Thanks so much for watching.
If you enjoyed this video,